Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to tell you how you can easily create your own equalizer preset for your BANG OLUFSEN Beoplay H95 speaker. Pardon me. So these are the headphones actually, and here we have to enter the application called BANG OLUFSEN. Here in this application we have to go straight to the sound mode here. Now we have to tap create new at the bottom of our screen. Here we can create our own equalizer preset. Actually it's not equalizer but sound mode. We don't have here frequencies, but we can easily manage if you want to go more the relaxed or in low treble, or an energetic and warm, which is high bass, or more to the high and energetic, which is high treble, or more to the bright and relaxed, which is low bass. As you can see, it works nice. That's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. That's it. Goodbye.